Witness Mr. Arthur Pym's, a man of impeccable taste, walking through a Sunday afternoon that has lasted for 40 years. He seeks the comfort of the familiar, a world of pastel perfection, where the sun never sets and the paint never peels. Mr. Pym's is looking for a hot cup of nostalgia, but he is about to discover that some doors should remain closed. Panic is a useless emotion, Mr. Pym's. You wanted to be timeless. You wanted to stop the clock. And you have succeeded. Welcome to the collection.
It's always the same. They're watching me.
A silent gathering of souls who forgot to keep moving. Mr. Pym's has found his forever home, not in the past, but in the permanent display window of the unknown.